Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Chili's Triple Dipper full guide. Start by trimming chicken into even strips and patting dry to help coating stick. Season simply with salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Prepare 3 bowls, flour, egg wash, and seasoned panko. Chill coated strips briefly before frying to lock layers. Finish with a light sprinkle of salt and rest on a rack to stay crisp. Warm up your kitchen and think in layers when building flavor for the Triple Dipper. Start with a seasoned flour to create base seasoning, then use a wet dip like buttermilk or beaten egg to bind, and finish with a coarse crumb for crunch and visual appeal. Vary spices between layers so each bite evolves. Let pieces rest between dips to prevent clumping, and taste adjustments as you go are perfectly fine. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long cooking sessions or busy kitchens. I link the socks and other deals in the description so you can grab them easily. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Keep your oil steady and your patience intact for the best texture results. Fry in small batches so the temperature stays between 325 degrees F and 350 degrees F. Use a thermometer to monitor. Cook until the inside reaches 165 degrees F and the outside is golden brown and evenly crisp. Transfer to a rack instead of paper to retain crunch. Serve promptly with sauces on the side to preserve texture, and let the sandwiches or platters shine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.